Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a review on the My Collagen Hydro Lip Patch. I got from Walmart for like $4 by Sure in New York. I don't know. So yeah, I haven't found many like YouTube videos on this type of thing, like lip patches, or like this is a gel form, so it's not like a sheet mask, it's like a gel patch, and it's very big, so it's gonna cover like half of my face. So, or the lower half of my face anyways. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys what this is exactly, and we'll get on to the video. So this is what the lip patch looks like. My Collagen Hydro Lip Patch. It claims to smooth away lip lines, dry cracked lips in 10 minutes, 10 or 15 minutes, with the nourishing and moisturizing benefits of super berries. Yep, it just says to remove the Hydro Lip Patch from package and apply to clean lips and leave on for 10 or 15 minutes. I want to talk about this real quick though. The first ingredient on the list is water. So it goes by what is most in to the less amount. And the collagen, it doesn't come into like about, it doesn't come in till right here. I found it. The collagen is right there. So it's not very high on the list, so there's not that much collagen in it. That I just thought that'd be something for you guys to know. So if you're looking for something that's going to have huge benefits or something that's going to change a lot if you use it a lot, this might have good effects like over time. I'm only going to be using this once. But yeah, so the collagen comes about halfway, even maybe a bit lower on the ingredient list. So there's not going to be that much of it. So I wouldn't, like, I know I haven't used this yet, but like I wouldn't recommend this for like if you're looking for huge, like drastic changes, because all the good ingredients, like even the berry extracts and whatever the word is, and all that stuff comes on the lower half of the list. So that it's the most things that are in the ingredients are probably just like the gel form and like all that. And that is why that sheet masks are better, because like the most of the ingredients aren't going to be the gel that the mask is, and that goes for lips, face, you know, anything that you want to use a mask on. I don't recommend gel type masks. But yeah, that's just my 2 cents on it. Alright, so in case you're wondering, I have a mirror right here, so that's kind of what I'm going to be using to put this on. It looks like there's a lot of like liquid inside there, so when you open this, if you decide to get it, probably just open it this way. It says open here, how helpful, you know. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. It says to put on like clean lips, so like try not to have any lipstick on or chapstick. My lips are dry and chapped, like, you know, clean and bare. So that's how you're supposed to put it on. Oh, it's kind of hard to open, not gonna lie. Oh, it's not super liquidy actually. It's fine. Oddly satisfying. Okay. So probably wash your hands before you do this. You don't want to have like the oils from your fingers touching it and all that jazz. In fact, I did not do that. So I'm gonna go do that real quick. Okay, I just washed my hands and now we're going to do this. Super jelly. Super jelly full. Ta-da! I will insert a photo of before I put this on, the lip patch on, and then after. So yeah. Okay, so honestly, it didn't really stick very well to my face. Like, no gel type masks do, honestly. That's why I don't really recommend them. And most of the ingredients will be taken up by the fact that it's gel. I just ripped it, so that's kind of fun. Look at that. Oddly satisfying, right? Anyways, would I get this again? No. Not gonna lie, but here are my lips. Did they plump? It said it had plumpiness to it, right? Right, to smooth and plump lips. Smooth and plump lips, it says right there. And they're definitely not plumped. They feel hydrated though, that is something. They don't feel like as dry as they did before. Granted, I did take my fingers and like rub my lips to make sure there's nothing on them, so that could be the culprit of that, but like at the same time, my lines are still there. So yeah, honestly, I do not recommend something like this. Any gel type form of mask, anything like that, I don't recommend. Sheet masks are your way to go. But if you do want to try this out, I will put a link in the description box below for it if you wanted to check it out and give it a try. But yeah, if I had rate this 1 out of 10, 10 being the most, I'd probably rate it like a 3. I don't think it did very much, and when I put it on, it kind of just slid off. And so what I did is I just opened my mouth, sucked in the air, and then closed it, and then I felt a little bit more suction to me. And then I just laid down on the ground for 10 minutes and just waited. I did move it around, try to just like get that moisture in there, that hydration, and honestly, it's like, it's kind of eh. I won't be getting this again. But yeah, I'll put the description. I'll put the link in the description box. So yeah, if you do want to check it out, go ahead. Yeah, why not? Do what you want. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this. It's yeah, I haven't seen much videos on lip masks or lip gel masks. I did actually find this from a different video, and so I went and got it because like the video was like, oh, it's pretty good, you know. And so I was like, oh, I'll give it a try, and honestly, it's not that great. Like, they look lighter in color for some reason, or is that just me? I don't know. Honestly, yeah. I hope you guys found this like helpful, enjoyable. Yeah, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Yeah, if you liked anything about it, if you like my dresser, if you like my hair, if you like my necklace, if you like my shirt, and I don't know, I'm just kind of rambling. Yeah, give it a thumbs up. I can't talk right now. Oh my word. And subscribe, thank you, please, and have a great day. Bye.